So I've been working in this pub, basically concentrating on getting the downlights all in after they're plastered, and then I'll get the wall lights on, chasing the switches in, so obviously they can plaster, and then changing the sockets for new ones so they can finish areas basically. But I keep hearing from the customer, Ben, I want that light in the well to work. Well, and I get it, yes, I've been told sort of a few times now, but I've just been concentrating on other things. But today, I thought I'd have a look and see why it doesn't work. I think I know why it doesn't work, because I ripped the wires out because they were pants. Yeah, I ripped the wiring out to it because it was just in twin and earth outside, and yeah, it was no good. But yeah, this light, she wants to work. So let's see what we can do. So it's bound to happen in this well to drop my bleeding screwdriver. So I've got a magnet in the van. Let's see what's in there. Well, not see what's in there, see if I can get my bleeding screwdriver as well. So I'll pick it up. I don't know how long this well's been here. Pennies, screws, no screwdriver. It's got to be in here somewhere. I've got to click onto it. Oh, what's that? That could be something good. Oh, some more money. Some stones. Yeah, it's a bone. Come on. It's quite deep. I'd say, what's that? 5 meters. I can feel it. I can feel something. Where is my screwdriver? I haven't got a clue. It's a washer. Fantastic. Quite clear, I can see to the bottom ish. Not really. More money. What is that? 2p, 1p's. Sugar. It's a flipping farthing by the looks of it. Oh no. I'll show you these in a minute. They're just like, this is a bit of copper. It's a penny. I suppose you're not going to really magnet 50 quid. I can feel something there. That's got to be my screwdriver. Ah, it's a clip. Come on. Another penny, another screw, no screwdriver. Well, if I get enough pennies, I could buy myself a new screwdriver. Well, we got the screwdriver out, and then we also got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17p. Should I put it in my pocket? Let's be honest. These are people's dreams or wishes that have come to the pub and thought, I wish, I don't know, for a Ferrari or whatever they wish for. So I'm going to put them back in here. Hopefully, they've either came true or they will come true one day. But the main thing is, we've got that light working. I had to take it all to bits and put a new bulb in it, but yeah, it's working. Finally, done.